Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce a collaboration. I was waiting a long time to do this. I was flattered when Rachel asked me to do so. Rachel Lerch is a content creator based in Canada. She's a landscape photographer. She's a pro. I like to consider myself a rookie compared to her. I mean, her channel is growing exponentially and I'm amused by her videos and her surroundings and landscape where she shoots her video. So we decided to do a collaboration and talk to you guys on the importance of landscape photography and, for me, landscape video. How important is the landscape in within you live, and how important it is to show the viewer where you live and how does it affect your video. Now let's introduce Rachel Lerch. Who is she and what she does and how important is landscape for her?
Hi Alessandro, I'm so excited to be here. When I first saw Alessandro's channel on YouTube, I was so excited because he is so talented at putting together a video in a creative way that is so interesting and beautiful to watch. So thank you so much for having me on your channel. I met Alessandro, I contacted him a few months ago when I did discover his channel and asked him if he'd like to collaborate with me. And I am so excited that he said yes and that we are here today. My name is Rachel Lerch and I am a photographer and videographer in Canada. Right now we are having absolutely beautiful fall colors, but we have 4 distinct, absolutely beautiful seasons. The winter is white and pristine and gorgeous, and the fall is colorful. The summer is just lush and green. It is truly a beautiful country, and I absolutely love getting out with my camera and exploring and showing everyone who comes along with me the beautiful places that I get to visit. I love, love, love photography. Have been doing it since I was a small child, and it's a passion. It's also the perfect combination of technical geekiness, which I confess, and creative art, which is also me. I have heard people say that photography is therapy, and it sounds funny, but it's just, absolutely true. The moment I step outside, even if I'm kind of concentrating on what do I need to do, work, etc., the moment I step outside and I'm in this beautiful landscape, it's just everything falls off. It is incredible. If you haven't experienced it, I encourage you to try. On my YouTube videos, I share both what I'm doing, the technical parts of the photography, plus I love to show the environment and the landscapes around me. They're just, everywhere you go, there is beauty to be seen and there's a photograph to be taken. I truly believe that. So today I would like to show you one of my favorite local landscapes, which is Hendry Valley Preserve in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. The colors are just beautiful, and there is, I'll have to show you. Thanks for having me here today, Alessandro, and let's do this.
It's funny how it all played out. Broken dreams seldom get realized. For me, you were a part of life that escaped and left me outside.
These local landscapes are so important to me. They are just, I feel incredibly blessed to have so much greenery and green space and conservation area around me. Canada is incredibly beautiful, and I feel like us telling our stories will help to keep it that way. And also, it's just amazing. The fall color is amazing today. There are reds, oranges, and yellows. The canopy is just beautiful, and on the ground are all of these crunchy fall leaves. I just love it. Right where I'm standing right now, there is a pathway, a dirt pathway, and a wooden handrail that goes around, and I just love the leading line of it. I'm going to try and take a wide angle shot. Beautiful.
I'm running at the speed of light, trying to seize everything I desire. But as strange as it may sound, when I'm still, things seem to come around. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control. The journey is not ours to control.
Things are much quieter here than usual. This bridge is beautiful. I love the view out this way of just all of the long grasses and the fall colors in the distance. It's just gorgeous. I'm going to get out my 16 to 35 lens and see if I can capture it. It's gorgeous fall color. Alessandro, I just want to invite you to Canada. You and your family, your twins, and I would love, love, love to show you around. And I'm hoping maybe one day to make it to Italy. Thank you so much for doing this with me. You guys are awesome, all of you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.
Today we're in Torre Guaceto, like 10 kilometers far away from Brindisi. It's a marine reserve. It's a beautiful place, as you can see. It's a protected area, so we had to park the car 3 kilometers far away and then hike here. But as you can see from the B-roll, oh, probably you already seen it, it's just speechless. I haven't been here in a long time, and every time I come here, it's beautiful. The quietness, just sound of animals and the sea. I love putting landscape and showing where I live and my suburbs and my living area to the people on YouTube. I mean, it's I think it creates a relationship between you and your viewers. I mean, some subscribers asked me once, can you go back to that place and show it better, because we're planning our trip. I mean, I live in the south of Italy, so many people come here every year, and I love showing off the place I live. So it's a nice walk within the wildlife, total wildlife and fauna. There was a wasp trying to kiss me on my hand. It's nice because you get away from the city and you start breathing fresh air, and you can feel the salt of the beach very close by. It's an amazing place, seriously. I mean, Rachel usually shows us beautiful places. I mean, one of my dreams is to come to Canada and visit it entirely. And there's a small turtle. I think it got lost. Let's put it back in the grass. Baby turtle, there you go. I used to come here when I was a kid, and I still remember my first time. It was beautiful. I think I came with the school when we were kids, and at the time I didn't remember it was so far away from the parking spot. But it's beautiful. I mean, it took us an hour and a half of hiking in the wild, and so far I'm loving it. There's an eagle right there. There's so much different biodiversity, they call it in Italian. I don't know if it's the right name, but you can find ducks. I'm sure there's snakes. So many lizards, a lot of them. Butterflies, can't even count. There's frogs, I can hear them. It's a beautiful oasis. I think that's what they call it. And it's beautiful if you want to clean your lungs from the dust and the smog of the city. So thanks again, Rachel, for giving me this opportunity of getting back into nature and understanding what being free and breathing fresh air means. So thank you again. Sometimes I forget how close this place is to where I live. Time for me now is extremely precious. So every half an hour or an hour that I have, I want to use it for what I love. And what I love is shooting videos. And I think I'm gonna come here more often from now on. I really like it. Probably gonna come back here with my kids. We made it to the end of the truck. Finally my car, and luckily it's still here. It was tiring, but it was very nice. So if you guys managed it to this point, thank you. I mean, it means you really appreciate what we both do. Thanks for that, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Link of Rachel's channel are in description. Go there, subscribe, because she really deserves it. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.